Hello, good morning everybody. Happy Wednesday. It is Wednesday today, isn't it? I get my days confused sometimes. I come to you with a skincare video. I'm so excited to share this with you. Medik8 has kindly sent me some gorgeous products. They asked me if I wanted a top up. They liked my video before. They asked me if I wanted a top up of what I use, and they sent me other stuff to try. So I'm so excited to share the products with you and how to use them. So I'm actually going to put in a clip of me applying the products AM routine. But I thought, first of all, let's get a cup of coffee. Let's get comfortable. Let's get cozy. Let's take this time to go through the skincare ritual. It's all about self-care, taking care of our skin, taking the time to do what's good for us and what makes us feel good, okay? So, here's my little package of Medik8. Oh, my nose, I feel like my nose is dripping. Is my nose dripping? Bear with. Oh, don't use my sleeve. Right, so in this delightful box, I was sent Medik8 C-Tetra Luxe, which is their vitamin C. It comes in a gorgeous bottle like this. I am going to show you, I am going to just talk through them, and then I'll put in the clip of me using them and explaining what's in them, what they do and how to use them. So I have been wanting to try this. I've read up on it, and it's lovely. Then we've got the Medik8 Liquid Peptides Advanced. This is their newest serum. Look at that, gorgeous. Never fear, I will tell you exactly in what order to use things. Then we have the Medik8 Advanced Day Protect, which is the SPF 50 moisturizer. I have been wanting to try this for a long time, lusting over it. So I'm so happy to have got this. And then, last in my little box, I've been sent the Retinal 6. So as you know, I'm currently using the Retinal 3. And the Retinal 6 is one up from 3. Well, it's not one up from 3, but it does say here, for those, recommended for those who have comfortably used Medik8 Crystal Retinal 3. So once I've finished up the Retinal 3, I then move on to the Retinal 6. And I used my Retinal last night and my night cream. So my face was all ready this morning to go in with the morning skincare routine. So I'm going to add in that clip now, and then I'll be back. So I thought it'd be good to show the products in action. Now, last night I used my Retinal Crystal 3 and the Advanced Night Restore. So I used that last night. Love it. So this morning we're going to go on with the new bits. I'm so excited. So I've meticulously read up how to use each item. So we're going to start with the vitamin C first, then the liquid peptides. So this is the C-Tetra Luxe Vitamin C. Lipid Vitamin C Enhanced Radiance. A velvety vitamin C featuring a combination of brightening and nourishing ingredients, recommended for all-round healthy looking skin and visible radiance. After cleansing in the morning, massage 6 drops of C-Tetra Luxe across the face, neck and décolleté, letting that absorb. 6 drops. Okay. Ooh. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's close the bottle. Oh, Bertie! The guy's doing the garden outside. Oh my God. So this is, Bertie, shush please! This is 6 drops and it's like a massage. Good boy, thank you, Bubble. It says massage. Oh, do you know what? I really, when I get my products, I need to know exactly that I'm doing it right. Okay, so we're massaging. Smells citrusy and nice. Forehead is my troubled area. Okay. And we let that soak in. So that's your Medik8 C-Tetra Luxe after cleansing. This goes on first because I know a lot of times it can be a bit complicated. You think, what goes when, where? So I always check on the website to see what goes next. Now this I think is one of the newest products to come out, and it's the Medik8 Liquid Peptides Advanced, and it's a serum. So your oils go on, I think your oils go on first because I took a picture of what goes on first. So you cleanse, you use your vitamin C, your peptides, and then your SPF. And then you can also use this at night. So you'd cleanse, but it says to use this before the retinol. So that's interesting, but we're gonna do the morning routine now. So this is the Liquid Peptides Advanced MP Dual Mini Protein Technology, a powerful, visible, wrinkle-reducing serum that delivers fast, smoothing results on the appearance of expression lines. With targeting the look of deeper wrinkles over time, featuring dual mini proteins, this is the next generation of advanced peptides skincare delivered in a silk-textured hydrating serum. This feels really nice. For preference, I have oily skin, and this vitamin C feels lovely. It's like I feel like it's already sunken in. You know how some vitamin Cs can feel a bit oily and sit on the skin? This has gone in beautifully. And I'm not surprised because everything I've used from Medik8 so far is just chef's kiss. After cleansing, in the morning and in the evening, massage Liquid Peptides Advanced across the face, neck and décolleté, leave to absorb before applying moisturiser. So this is good because while this is absorbing, I can talk about this product and then so on. So now I feel like this is absorbed, so I'm going to put this on. Very excited. Hello, I've got my little helper here, my little Bertie helper. Now, let's see. I'm going to do 2 pumps. Oh, whoa. Oh my. That is silky smooth. Oh my goodness. That doesn't have any fragrance, but that is, wow. That is smooth. That is very smooth and delightful. So just to remember again, we've put on our vitamin C, our Tetra Luxe vitamin C, lipid vitamin C enhanced radiant serum, helps with dark circles, dark spots, lines and wrinkles, brightening the skin, hydration. And then we've gone in with our Liquid Peptides Advanced, which wrinkle reduction serum 30% with peptide complex and growth factor. Oh my gosh, beautiful. So that's settling in now. Again, it's light, it sinks in, it's lovely. I'm really hoping that it's going to target these lines on my forehead, not just that's the creasy thing. Now, for the piece de resistance, I love a sunscreen. I have been desperate to try this. This is the Advanced Day Ultimate Protect SPF 50. Yeah. And it's the Ultimate Medik8 Day Cream, featuring exceptionally high broadband spectrum, SPF 50 UVA, UVB, protection delivered from advanced sunscreen filters combined with supercharged environmental defense and encapsulated photolays, working to combat visible signs of aging while nourishing the skin. The beautifully rich daily moisturizer leaves the complexion with an invisible finish, ready for the day ahead. After cleansing in the morning, apply a liberal amount of Advanced Day to neck and décolleté. Use a light upward stroke. Reapply as needed. Okay, so I think this is settled in. There are 2 of these. This one is the age define, there's two, there's one that, oh, this is the moist, maybe there's a cream that's a bit thicker, I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I'm excited to use this. We've done all our skincare. Now we're going to put this on. And I love an SPF that's your moisturizer. For me, that is the world of difference, because you don't think to yourself every day, oh, I need to put on an SPF. It's your moisturizer. So you've done your serums. You don't have to think of extra moisturizers and whatnot. It's all in one, and I love an all in one. So let's give this one a go. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, That's rich. That's very rich. We'll see. I mean, that's rich. That feels like a really luxe moisturizer. Wow. Age defying. Because I know there's two, one that's more geared towards oily skin. I'm not sure which this one is. I mean, I think that's quite rich. But it's really nice. It feels really nice. That's the thing with all these products. For me, I'm quite sensorial. I like the way things feel, the textures. When you do your skincare, don't just slap things on. Think about, how is it feeling? How does it feel when it's on? How does it feel doing it? Taking that time to put that skincare on. It's just such a wonderful thing, and I love it. So there we go. Now I've put all my bits on. I'm going to put my makeup on, and then we'll go through, well, actually, am I going to go through beforehand? Probably. Well, I'll do like a conclusion. So I'll see you with my makeup on. So there we have it. That's my AM skincare routine using the fabulous Medik8. I am so impressed. The textures are just like no other. It's phenomenal skincare. I feel so lucky to be able to try these products and be able to bring you my honest opinion, because I know you all trust what I say, and I'll never ever talk about something that I don't like. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I think even if you were to try one product from the range, you know, go upstairs to your bathroom now and go, right, what is in my skincare cabinet? What am I using? What am I not using? What's running out? What do I need to replace? And then start from there. Do you need a vitamin C? If so, you can go in with vitamin C. Perhaps you need to boost your serum. Perhaps you've been using the same old serum for years and you kind of want to change it up. Why not try the Liquid Peptides Advanced Serum? Perhaps you need a sunscreen. Go through and see, what can I replace? And I always say this with new products that you're trying from a brand. Start with one and see how you go. I always find if I like the first product I'm trying from a brand, I then become very loyal to the brand. I then want to try more. So it always helps to just start off with something, whether it's a cleanser, whether it's a moisturizer, whether it's a serum, and see how you like it. And if you like that, you can think, all right, I like that, so I'm going to try something else from them. And that's how I started with them. I got the Retinal and the night cream, and I thought, this is fantastic. I cannot wait to try. I cannot wait to try everything else in the range and slowly change my routine to all the Medik8 products. So I think things work really well when they're from the same brand as well. And this is an absolutely excellent brand. I'm so thrilled with it. I'm so thrilled with my skin. It's results driven. I want to use something that when I wake up the next morning, I think, oh, and then you'll go out for the day and someone else will give you a comment, like, oh, you look lovely, or you look rested, or your skin looks glowing. And then you know that your products are working, and you know that you're doing something for yourself, taking care of you and making yourself feel good. And you feel confident knowing that you're using good products from an excellent brand. So let me know what you've tried from Medik8 before, if you have, if you haven't, what you want to try, and if you've got any, if you have any questions, let me know down below and I'll do my best to answer them. And in the meantime, have a lovely rest of your week and I will see you in another video. Bye-bye.